Feet 1 hip width distance apart. Roll your shoulders. As you're doing this, start incorporating or start igniting your Ujjayi breath or your circular breathing, yes? Whichever pranayama or breath work fits you, especially for the throat and the jaw area or muscles. From here, bend your knees, bring the backs of the hands together, and wave yourself up. Upward facing hands, nice, opening for the body. First pulse of our flow. Inhale, exhale, draw out the breath, then push your hips forward, shallow back bend, just a shallow one to start off with. You don't have to go aggressive and deep too soon. Squeeze the front line of your body to lift. Hands together, forearms together. Sink the spine down, come to your forward fold. Now for our first forward fold of this class, pump your knees. Heels of the hands can even be lifted, and you are in claw hands. Pumping our knees here, being gentle with ourselves, helps the calves and the hamstrings lengthen up. We are rewiring our brains, our nervous system, to accept a deep fold, deep pose as a safe situation for our bodies to be in. From here, stop pumping your knees if you're still doing that, or if you did go into a deep forward fold, bend your knees. Give your knees a micro bend. Now hands slide forward to the corners of your mat so that the hands and the feet create a trapezoid. Yeah? So bigger distance for the hands. Because from here we are standing on the left leg, curling the right leg up, pointing the knee back, up, and keep it bent. Keep it bent for now, for the first round. The head is nice and loose here. And we are in a supported, modified standing split. Now from here, bend your standing knee, your left knee, extend your right leg, bring the flats of your toes down and crawl back. Don't forget to crawl back and hop back that back foot so we are in a nice, safe, low lunge. From here, push yourself up halfway. It's like our half lift. We are on the tips or on the pads of our long fingers. We're looking forward. We're lengthening that back leg towards the back. Exhale, hands flat. Bob your body here, yes? Soften your body and step back into a plank. Knees down. We are in a knee plank. Push back. You're welcome to untuck your toes for our extended child's pose. Remember, your elbows are lifted here. They're not down on the mat. Tuck your toes under and lift yourself up to a puppy pose and do a spinal wave here. Waving the body up and down. For those who want to take downward facing dog, you're welcome to bring your heels down and knees straight. And we are in a downward facing dog. 2 more rounds of our Luna flow. Wave forward, plank, lift the head up, knees down, knee plank, push back, extended child's pose. If you can, keep your toes tucked under here and push up. Puppy pose or downward facing dog. Choose your poses. 1 more. Wave forward, plank, lifting the head up, knee plank, extended child's pose, puppy pose, or downward facing dog. And do your spinal wave. From here, heels up, knees and elbows bend, carry your legs as you step back up to the top of the mat, forward fold. Bend the knees, finger pads. Slide up your shins, squeeze the armpits in, and push yourself up halfway. Half lift. Forward fold. Sink the hips down, backs of the hands together, head up, and push yourself up. All the way back up, upward facing hands. Let's do the other side and let's make this nice and graceful. Hips push forward, shallow or maybe a little deeper with your back bend, with or without a drop back of the head. Squeeze the front line of the body to lift. Candle arms, sink down, forward fold. From here, let's add a half lift. Finger pads any height on your shins or down on the mat and wave up halfway. Forward fold. Hands slide forward and wider. Rule of thumb is to the corners of your mat. Standing on the right leg, left leg curls up. Point the knee back, up. Keep it bent for now. Let your head become nice and loose here. If your balance is okay, look to the gap between your legs or just towards the back because one leg is lifted up, and just let your head go. Press strongly into your hands. From here, front knee bends, top knee extends, land and crawl back. Don't forget this, because crawling back aligns your front knee nice and safe in line with your ankle or maybe a little pared back. From here, half lift in our low lunge. Looking forward. Exhale, release the pose. Bob the body to soften our joints, prepare our shock absorbers, and spring back. Full plank, knee plank, extended child's pose, lift up puppy pose, or downward facing dog. Now I'm going to throw something here. Listen out. Wave forward, plank, lift the head up. Knee plank, knees all the way down or keep them hovering. Push back, extended child's pose, knees down or keep them hovering. Lift up a little bit more to puppy and downward facing dog, spinal wave. One more of that. Listen out, choose your pose. Wave forward, plank, head lifts up. Knee plank, knees down or hovering. Push back, extended child's pose, knees down or hovering. Puppy pose or downward facing dog. Heels up, knees and elbows bend, step up. Carry your legs as you step all the way up, forward fold. Half lift, forward fold, bend the knees, backs of the hands together, wave yourself up. Back to upward facing hands. For our second round, choose your poses, yeah? I'll cue you. Hips push forward, shallow or deep back bend, with or without a drop back of the head. Squeeze the body up, candle arms, nice and smooth. Sink down, forward fold. Half lift, height of your choice. Forward fold. Hands slide forward and out to the corners. Standing on the left leg, right leg curls up. Let the head go, nice and loose with the neck as you point your knee back, up. Keep it bent or extend this time. Bend your elbows, lower the head down, but you are strongly pushing down into your hands, and that manages that sensation of falling forward. Bend your standing knee and step back. If you kept your lifted knee bent, of course, extend your leg. Crawl back, low lunge, and lift up halfway. Half lift in our low lunge. or mid-height lunge. Exhale, release, hands flat a la plank, and spring back. Full plank. Choose your poses here, all the way down with the knees, or hover. Push back, extended child's pose, knees down or hovering, lifting up puppy pose, and landing the heels downward facing dog. With forward plank, knee plank, choose your options, extended child's pose, puppy pose, or downward facing dog. One more. Full plank, knee plank, choose your options, extended child's pose, puppy pose, or downward facing dog. And do your spinal wave here. Deep full breath. From here, heels up, knees and elbows bent, and step up. Curl your legs to step all the way up. Forward fold, half lift, and straight to the other side. Forward fold, hands out to the corners, standing on the right leg, curl your left leg up, let your head go, knee points back, up, and choose. Keep it bent or extend. Bend your elbows, head sinks a little lower towards the floor, but you are still strongly pressing into your hands so that you don't topple forward. Bend your standing knee, step your left foot down, crawl back. Mid-height lunge. I've been saying low lunge here, but we do have a lower version of a lunge, so mid-height lunge. Inhale, lifting up halfway, half lift in our mid-height lunge. Exhale, hands down a la plank, step back. Just 3 more of this. Full plank, knee plank, hovering or knees down, extended child's pose, hovering or knees down, puppy pose, downward facing dog. Make it nice and smooth and graceful. Plank, knee plank, extended child's pose, puppy or dog. One more. Plank, knee plank, extended child's pose, puppy pose, or downward facing dog. And do your spinal wave here. Heels up, knees and elbows bent, and step up. Carry your legs. If you've noticed, we haven't been jumping forward and back. I'll introduce that in the second mini flow, but take your time here to step up and come into a forward fold. Inhale, lifting up halfway. Forward fold. Bend the knees, backs of the hands together. Wave yourself up. All the way up. Squeeze the back muscles to draw your arms towards the back and circle them down. Nice and slow and smooth. One hand on your heart space, one hand on your belly, and just take a few breaths here if you want.